So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to block screenshots on Telegram group. So if you don't want members in your group on Telegram to be able to screenshot anything from your group, I'm sure you all is done. So the first thing is open up your Telegram application and you need to click on group soon. So let's do group. So let's try to screenshots and as can see what the messages and everything. The group is showing in the screenshots. What? So if you want to block screenshots, just click on the group cam at top. Once you click on it, click on edit at the top, right corner. Once you click on edit, click on group type. Once you click on group type, scroll down. I'm going to see street contents, just turn it on. Once you turn on Rest Street 7 contents, click on done at the top. Right corner and click on done again to save the changes. So right now, anytime people try to screenshots from the group is not going to show as can see. When I took a screenshots, everything is blank. So anything or any message from the group is not going to show in the screenshot as can see there. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.